Hi everyone, it's GCR this side. Welcome back again to another learning video. In the previous video, I mentioned about some important commands to fetch system information of your Linux system. In this video, I will show you how you can view your hardware information. You don't have to learn a lot of commands for this thing. It will be a simple small package of commands which I'll show you. So let's jump right into the terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt plus T. Let this be in the Conda environment. It doesn't matter actually if you do anything. I just try to remove it so that it will look clear. But it's okay. If you want to view your CPU information, just type cat proc CPU info. It will display all the information about your CPU, its bit size, its manufacturing details, model length. You can view it from here. There is one more command also. If you want to view your memory info, will display all the memories which are being used by your CPU, by your machine, including the free space, the available space, the cache memory, the buffer memory, uh, all sort of memories you can basically see, all sort of processes which are occupying your memory, you can basically see from here. Now, if you want to see like what are this free spaces or use spaces in your system, just like we have in Windows. We have drives to see our available spaces. To view that structure in Linux, we can just type free minus of h. It will show the memory we have currently, total memory, use memory, and free memory. But there is one more important command also, which will show information regarding any mounted system in your in your Linux system and whether they are occupying any space or not. Just type ds minus of h. It will show the file system. This is basically mounted on those system, these files, or sorry, these directories, and the space they are consuming. There is, if you want to have a clear picture of it, just type here to view all the mounted system on your system, basically, and the spaces they are occupying. There is one more to view clearly. It is C. Will basically give the type of file system you have in your current system and where it is mounted on, how much spaces is occupied. The df command does that thing. That thing. Now, in order to view in a human readable format, you can just type df minus t or df minus h, which will give you basic information about it. If you want to view any USB devices or the ports for that, just type ls usb minus t. It will basically say that the connected type is bus and we have two ports here, the driver also, all sort of information regarding your USB devices. I hope this was a bit helpful to you. Just remember that you don't have to learn a lot in those command categories. You just have to learn the basic to the advanced level up to the advanced level. Now you can go further if you practice on a regular basis. I know all of this is available online, which you can find also. The thing while watching the video and doing simultaneously will help you memorize those commands instead of looking or fetching commands when you need online. So that is the purpose of this video, to make you simultaneously practice at the same time while watching this video. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any doubt regarding this thing, you can mention down in the comments below. I'll try and solve them. And thanks for watching. Happy learning. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye. Take care.